नमस्कार। ग्रेट मैन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं। कोविड-19 महामारी के इस दौर में मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आपका परिवार पूरी तरह सुरक्षित है, स्वस्थ है और बच्चों ने लॉकडाउन में बहुत एंजॉय किया है। अब मैं आपका सपोर्ट चाहता हूं। इस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बच्चों की शिक्षा को हम अब स्टार्ट करते हैं और बहुत ही जल्द जो भी आपका बैकलॉग है हम उसको क्लियर भी करेंगे और एक नए तरीके से आपकी शिक्षा अब स्टार्ट होने वाली है। पेरेंट्स का हमें पूरा सपोर्ट चाहिए। आप लोग पिछले 10 सालों से लगातार हमें सपोर्ट करते आए हैं और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि अगर हम और आप मिलकर चाहेंगे तो बच्चों की शिक्षा का कोई नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है और हमें और आपको मिलकर अब एक रीस्टार्ट करना है। नाउ लेट्स रीस्टार्ट। बेस्ट ऑफ लक। नमस्कार।
Hello kids, I hope you all are staying safe at your home. And I know you all are missing your school and your classrooms. But now you don't have to miss your classrooms anymore, as I, Miss Priyanka Jain, is here to start with your online classes for the subject Mathematics. Today we are going to start with our first chapter, that is place values. So scholars, let us start with our first chapter, place value. I hope you are ready for both fun and adventure, because today we are going to learn about place value, which is really exciting. Before I start the chapter, I want to teach you a fun word, that is D-I-G-I-T, that is digit. What are digits? Digits are the parts of a number. Like, look at this number 920. There are 3 parts or digit, that is 9, 2, 0. So, what are digits? Digits are the parts of a number. Here is where place value comes in. The place value is how much a digit is worth based on where it is. In other words, where a digit is in the number tells us how much it is worth. So, today we'll learn about what are the different place values where a digit can be. Now, look at the place value. Today we'll learn up to 1000. You have already learned the place value up to 100 in your previous class. So today we'll learn about 1000. The place values can go higher also, but these are the only place value we are going to learn about today. Now see in your book on page number 7. Let us read these numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are called digits. we use digits and place value to read and write numbers. As see this example, here 10 small green boxes together makes one row of red boxes, and these 10 row of red boxes together make one big yellow box, that is 100. This much you have already learned in your previous class. So let's practice some exercise. Match the following. Here, let's see this. We have 2 yellow boxes. That means we have 200. Then we have 2 red rows. That means 2 tens. Then we have 3 green boxes. That is 3 ones. So our number is 223. Where is that number? Yes. So match this with the number. Now see the next question. How many yellow boxes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 yellow boxes. It means 500. Now here we don't have any row of red boxes. It means at the place of tens it will be 0. Now we have only one green box. It means we have 1 at the place of ones. So our number is 501. Where is the number? Yes, match this with the number. Now our next number is 809 ones. 809 ones. Where we can find this number? Yes, it's here. So match it with this number. Now our next question is 500 plus 10. Add these numbers. 500 plus 10, it will make 510. So match it with the number. Yes. Now we'll move on to our next page. So here we'll learn how to make 1000. As you have already studied about the biggest 3-digit number. So what is the 3-digit number? That is 999. So now how we can make 1000 from this biggest 3-digit number? Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hundreds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. But as we add one more in these 9 ones, it will become 1 tens. So as it will become 1/10, here our one more red row will increase. Now, as here one more red row will increase, it will become 10/10. As it will be 10/10, it will convert it into 100. Let's say it again. When we add one more in these ones becomes 1/10. As one more tens comes in these 9/10, they become 100. And as one more 100 is being added to the 900s, they become 1000. Is it clear? See here. See here. 999 plus 1 is equals to 1000. When we'll add 1 to 999, it will become 1000. So now this is our 1000 place. The fourth place is of 1000. Let's see once. The first place is of ones. The second place is of tens. The third place is of 100. And the fourth place is of 1000. So now our first 4-digit number is 1000. It is the smallest 4-digit number also. Now we'll learn how to count by thousands. So come on to the next page. So here we'll learn counting by thousand. As we can see here, the blue digit tells us how many thousands, and the comma separates the thousands from the rest of the digits. So let's read out. Here we have only one blue box. So it means it is 1000. Then we have two blue boxes. It means 2000s. Then we have three blue boxes. It is 3000. And so on. As the number of boxes will increase, our thousands will increase. Okay? Now let us read the numbers. The blue digit tells us how many thousands, and the yellow digit tells us how many hundreds. So let us see one example. Here we have one blue box. It means how many thousands we have? We have only 1000. Then how many yellow boxes are there? Yes, these are 6 yellow boxes. It means we have 600. So now our number is 1600. Read it once again. Yes, it is 1600. Clear? Okay, so let's move on to the next page to learn more about thousands. So scholars, here we'll learn how to form a 4-digit number. So let's start with our first example. Here we have 3 blue boxes. It means we have How many thousands? 3 thousands. Then we have 2 yellow boxes. It means we have 200. Then we have only one row of red boxes. It means we have 1 tens. Then we have 5 small green boxes. It means we have 5 ones. Now, when we add these numbers, we'll find our 4-digit number. So, add these numbers. This will become 3,215. It is 3,215. Read out once. Yes, it is 3,215. Now, we'll see it with one more example. In our next example, as we can see, we have 6 blue boxes. It means 6,000. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 yellow boxes. It means we have 700. Then we have 2 green boxes. Scholars, did you notice here we don't have any red boxes? It means at the place of tens it will be 0. Okay? Don't get confused. We don't have to skip the number. At the place of tens, if we do not have any boxes, it means at the place of tens, we will write 0. Okay? So now let's move on. We have 2 green boxes. It means at the place of ones, we have 2. Now let's find out our number by adding these. 6,000 plus 700 plus 2. That is 6,702. Our number is? Yes, 6,702. Now we will learn how to read 4-digit numbers. So now scholars will learn to read 4-digit numbers. Okay? So as you can see here, we have abacus spike. So let me tell you, each spike resembles one place. Like the first spike resembles the place of ones. The second spike, it means the place of tens. The third spike, it resembles the place of 100. And the fourth spike, it resembles the place of 1,000. And the number of the beads on each spike will tell us the number at that place. Okay, let's see. In our first spike of ones, we have 4 green beads. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 green beads on this one spike. So that is 4 ones. Now, as we can see, we have 2 red beads on the spike of tens. That means 20. Now, let's see how many beads on the spike of 100. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 beads on the spike of 100. So it means we have 800. Then how many beats on spike of 1000? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 beats on the spike of 1000. It means 7000. Let's read out the number. 7824. What is our number? Yes, our number is 7824. I hope now it's clear to you how to form a 4-digit number, how to read a 4-digit number. Clear? So let's move on towards our exercise. So here scholars, see on page number 12, we have our first exercise, that is exercise 1A. Here our first question is match the following. What we have to do? Here we have to first find out the numbers by reading out these boxes. And then we have to match that number from the given boxes. Okay, let's see. Here we have one blue box. It means we have how many thousand? 1000. Then we have 2 yellow boxes. It means we have 2 hundreds. Then we have 1 red row. It means we have 1 tens. Then we have 3 green boxes. It means we have 3 ones. So now, can you form the number? Yes, it is 1213. So where is our number? Here it is. So match this with the number. So like this, you will match all these numbers. Now we'll move on towards our next question, that is form the numbers shown on the spike abacus. So let me tell you how to do this. You have to count the number of the beads on each spike and then write it down in the box. So let's see how many green beads on the spike of ones. It is 1, 2. So write here 2. Then how many red beads on the spike of tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 beads. Then now, how many beads on the spike of 100? That is 1. So we'll write here 1. Now, how many beads on the 1000 spike? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are 6 beads. So it means here we will write 6. Can you read out the number? Yes, it is 6182. So like this you will do the rest of the question. Now moving to our next question. Give the standard numeral. Here we have to read it out and find out the numeral. Let's see how you will do this. First, read this. 3746. What is it? 3746. It means, what is our number? 3746. So, is it clear to you how you will do this? Okay. So, practice these sums in your notebook. This will be as your homework. So, scholars, in this video, we have learned about how to make 1000, the biggest 3-digit number, the smallest 4-digit number, how to make a 4-digit number, and how to read a 4-digit number. So, scholars, I hope you will practice all these sums in the notebook and in the book. You will get worksheet and assignments related to this chapter in the link given below in the description box. I hope you understood whatever we learned in this video. Now, before winding up, I would like to tell you, in our every video, we'll learn one good habit. So, today's good habit is wash your hands properly with soap and water for 20 seconds. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye, kids.